Now we will practice Ardha Kurmasana, which is half tortoise pose. In Ardha Kurmasana, what you'll do is you're going to again open your legs, keep the knees bent, and keep your feet hip more than hip width apart. If you have any backache, if you're slouching your back, just use a block and sit on that piece of block. Now in this position, you're going to inhale, raise your hands up, and as you exhale, allow your body to be pulled forward. Make sure your chest is below your knees. Place your palms down. Now just breathe here. Let's do a quick warm-up drill. Inhale, raise your hands up. Exhale, allow your body to be pulled forward. Inhale, raise your hands up. Exhale, allow your body to be pulled forward. Inhale up. Exhale, allow your body to be pulled forward. And now, palms down. You're gonna slide your right hand under your right knee and you'll slide your left hand under your left knee. Now again, with every inhalation, you try to straighten the back, and with every exhalation, you try to slightly extend the knee joint. Let's do it. Inhale, exhale. Allow your arms to go down. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Stay as low as possible. Half tortoise pose, Ardha Kurmasana. Just breathe. And now slowly come back. Cross your legs. And breathe. Take a couple of deep breaths.